Today we're going to be completing a replacement fabric on this decades-old, worn-out pool cover. First things first, we remove the diving board, stones, and bracket arms that cover the mechanism to give us easy access. Once everything is cleared, we roll back the old fabric and fold it behind the pit. Before installing anything new, we take time to clean out the pit, getting rid of any debris that has built up since the last service. Next, we service the mechanism, making sure everything is tight and properly aligned and in good working order. We also remove the track to install brand new ropes that come with every new cover. While we're at it, we take the opportunity to clean out the track and the encapsulation of all the dirt and debris that's built up there. At the same time, we swap out the pulley bearings at the end of the track. This helps keep the mechanism running smoothly for years to come. Once that's done, we reinstall the track, securing it with the shim underneath to hold it in place. Now it's time for the new cover. We install it into the track using the new sliders that come with it. Then we add guide feeds, cut the ropes to the correct length, and roll out the cover for the first time. Next comes testing. We run the cover back and forth to make sure it's moving smoothly and staying perfectly square. We also add stops at the correct depth to prevent the fabric from hitting the stones when fully retracted. With all the testing complete, we finish with my favorite part. And just like that, that's another backyard, safe and secure.